Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn off call notification on Skype application. So that's quite simple, but before starting the tutorial make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. Thank you. So let's get started. So first of all you will have to open up the Skype application. Now click on the profile on the top left. And now you'll have to click on settings and click on notifications. Now scroll down until you find an option of show call notification in do not disturb section. Now it will be toggled on by default, and if you want to turn the call notifications off you will simply have to toggle it off and it will be toggled off. Now that's how you can easily turn off call notifications on Skype application. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.